Hi TV. Just by using my voice, I was able to power the TV on. We are going to be discussing 3 distinct features of Smart Interaction. The Smart Interaction main feature will be in the 7500 and 8000 series televisions with Samsung. Voice control, motion control, and facial recognition. You were able to see a little bit about how the voice control works, and I will show you more. I'm going to give some commands to the television, and then we'll talk exactly about what those commands do and how they work. Hi TV. Channel up. Channel up. Cancel. Volume up. Volume up.